Everybody, Scott and Uncle Steve with the Knowles Woolsey team at RE/MAX. Guys, today we're on our newest listing, 432 Edgehill Drive in the township of Springwater.
Scotty, you're geographically challenged. I know you'd feel like you're in Springwater. We're actually in Barrie. Guys, we're on an 80 by 200 foot mature tree lot. We've got a big circular drive here and a nice big footprint with over 2,300 square feet. Check it out. This home boasts tons of character here. We've got a large oversized kitchen here that's recently been updated. As we move through here, this open concept design, we've got a giant family room here with a floor to ceiling fireplace. Check it out.
You're gonna love the second story of this home. We got 3 bedrooms, 2 renovated baths. The ensuite is gorgeous. It's got a massive walk-in shower. I'm in the master bedroom right now, surrounded by light. Unc's over in the bonus loft. Let's go check that out.
Check out this bonus loft room here, folks. It's got a 2-piece bathroom, a huge walk-in closet, all kinds of space and all kinds of privacy. Perfect for your teenagers, perfect for your in-laws, outlaws, whatever you choose.
So we're out in the backyard now, once again feeling more like the country than the middle of the city. So much space back here, and check out those trees behind us.
Did we say 200-foot lot, folks? I'm telling you, this is amazing back here. I'm not sure who's gonna love it more. The kids, the dogs, the parents, so much room to roam. And if you got the courage, build yourself a giant ice rink and create your own Connor McDavid.
Come on, Unc, we're in Barrie, more like Austin Matthews.
Good point.
For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.